Once again, a very detailed opinion there from Luke. Good morning guys, I am back once again in Blackpool. We've just taken our bags to the hotel. I'm with Luke, who's actually been in more vlogs than Eric has. He's on the phone about him. We're not going, the Pleasure Beach is late night riding tonight, so we're going to go about 1ish and stay till 10 and get our 50 rides on Icon. Obviously it's Luke's first time. So it should be interesting. Hopefully the land is clean this time. Yeah, that's what I can see. So I'm not going to vlog what we do between now and Pleasure Beach. There's no point. So I'll let you know. So I'll speak to you next inside the Pleasure Beach, probably after we're on Icon. Hopefully it'll be quite long vlog today. So see you after. Here we are guys. We're now in the Pleasure Beach. Luke's excited for Icon. We're going to head out there now. It's 1:45, so it's not too bad. We're going to try and stay till 10, that's the plan anyway. So we'll go on Icon, I'll show you the area, and then we're going to watch my opening day vlog and I'll get Luke's reaction on after. So Luke, what are your first thoughts?
Alright, it's not bad.
Yeah, queue's not too bad. Last time I was here I forgot to get a shot at the end, didn't I? So I'll try and get that for you. It's a lot busier than it was on Friday. Oh wow. Every time you go over that, it does not look like you're going to make it.
That's the idea of it. I feel it shaking.
Luggage storage areas.
Let's get in there.
So one of them fails and then...
So I've just had a back row on the ride. Start again. I've just had a back row ride on Icon. Absolutely amazing. I'll get the reaction in a minute when it comes out of the shop and get the picture. Green on the back. We keep it about half an hour. It did break down. I think they changed when the train's over. We still didn't wait that long, because then we waited 2 hours to walk a man. We didn't wait that long at all. Hopefully we're going to go again. I need a week first. I'll get Luke's reaction. Come on then. What do you think?
Really good.
Favourite coaster?
I still like Wicker Man.
A very detailed review there from Luke.
I still like Wicker
So we go in the shop?
Yeah.
I'm not going to show you the shop because I showed you it last week.
I'm getting it.
Luke's buying the hoodie. Of course he is.
Tempted.
I'm going to buy this pin. I haven't got this one. I thought I had all of them by now.
I sweat to death with it on.
The t-shirt seemed a bit small, so I'm not going to buy a t-shirt. I did want a t-shirt.
I want to get rid of this bag really, but I can't.
No.
That is amazing.
I know, I do like the presentation.
Not quite. And I like that as well. Oh, these are
Yeah, they are really nice.
No, that would be lovely on my bedside cabinet.
If I didn't have them already, I would probably get it.
Why do you want to Pleasure Beach time?
Hey?
Why do you want to Pleasure Beach time?
Well, it doesn't give you any evidence that you're in Pleasure Beach, does it?
It's ridiculous. Oh, I love this one.
Yeah. I've got that. Yeah, I've got that hanger t-shirt.
Yeah?
I've got that one.
I like that one. But that one just felt too tight.
Yeah. I am tempted by Icon now. So we've just been evacuated from the Icon queue line. We don't need to get one ride on it, but we're going to go check in. Yeah. We're going to check in the hotel and then come back. Hopefully it'll be open by then. What are we?
325.
Yeah, down there.
Down here?
Yeah. So we're in the Hilton. This is brand new, it opened like a week ago. Oh, well, I mean, it works.
Oh, wow.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, yeah. This is nice. Clean looking.
Yeah. So it's in the bathroom.
Look at the view.
Got a shower.
Oh, it's slide door.
Hmm.
Oh, there's the wardrobe.
Where? Huh?
That is cool. Very nice, isn't it? Oh, look at the picture.
Lots of plugs. What we like.
I like this room. Basic but nice.
Yeah.
Still got that touch of like luxury.
Oh.
Beds look still new as well.
Hmm. Well, he's new.
No, they're probably like new duvets, aren't they, to be honest?
Yeah.
Look at this.
So, as I was saying before we got
All
here,
the lights, where's the switch?
we queued in Icon's queue line for about 40 minutes.
Ah, they're lights. Look at that. That's nice. Nice touch.
And then they evacuated the queue line because they brought the train out, people on, they stopped it, and then about 20 minutes later they took it back in to come off, and then after that they evacuated the queue line. So I don't know what's gone down with it. I mean, you gotta give it a chance, it's a new ride. From what I've heard, it's not broke down yet, so it's been doing well. So
Till now.
yeah, till now. Till
Very cool.
the day of late night riding, it breaks down. So yeah. I know we haven't filmed much yet, but we still got loads of time yet. It's only 3:05.
Oh yeah. I just can't believe how big it is, isn't it? It's nice. I prefer this to the Hilton in Wembley.
Yeah, so anyway, so we're gonna just get our stuff and go back to Pleasure Beach. Hopefully Icon will be open. Or if not, we'll have to queue for hours for other rides. It is not looking good for Icon, really not looking good. They said it may be open today, may not. Hopefully it will open before 9 o'clock. Looking, but we'll try and go on the ride as well. Do you want to go on the big one though? Going on the big one? We're going to go on the big one.
Oh, they look at something there.
We'll see. We've had a ride of a big one, that was awful. Third carriage from the back. Not doing that again today. Even though there was a night ride on it, but don't know about that. Icon is now reopened.
Picture of this smoke.
So we're going to hopefully go on that. Hopefully it won't go down again.
That is actually really good.
That's really good. That's really good. Right, we're going to the queue. We just had our second ride on Icon. We waited about 50 minutes that time. Not too bad at all. Right, second opinion after the second ride, Luke. Hey? Once again, a very detailed opinion there from Luke. As usual.
I like it.
Is that what you're going to say? I like it.
Terrace and this is different. Whole pleasure theme in this.
The queue has shortened. It's not where we started.
No, far from it. To be fair, if you go Wallace and might shut down again.
Okay.
If you go Wallace and got it, maybe grab some tea and then you come back.
Yeah.
This time we've gone through the queue, I feel we've gone
We'll do that then. We're going to have a ride on Wallace and Gromit. And then we'll probably have a third rider in it. And then hopefully have a ride before 9 o'clock.
It's that we've come to Icon, we've come from else.
No, exactly.
Plus we're coming to Icon.
Yeah. Right. Hey? Huh?
Oh, explosive.
Right, we're going to Wallace and Gromit.
Lots on the way in between.
Let's go. Just had a fantastic ride on Wallace and Gromit. As always. Brilliant ride. Meaning that it's all the words to the ride. I'm shouting because you won't be able to hear me over the music. We're going to have some lunch now. Then we're going to Icon again. So we just had a ride on the ghost train. Good screamed. It was really good. Oh yeah, ghost train. We're going to go have our third ride on Icon. Probably a fourth ride. Probably a fifth ride.
Depends.
Yeah, see what the queue are. There we go.
Different rides as well.
Like what though?
No, if you want to close on the street.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Go Icon.
Yeah, we'll go Icon first. I have no idea what happened then. That was the fastest ride we just had on Icon. For some reason that seemed the fastest it's ever been. I don't know why. I don't know what was different at that time. But that was really fast. And of course, we're going again. So we just had another 2 hours on Icon. That includes the one I said before. Really fast. It seems to have warmed up over the day, but the restraint pushing in my stomach really badly. I don't know how to stop that happening. Maybe I need to sit there a little bit more or something, I don't know. We're going to get a drink and then going to have a ride on it, and then going to have...
Kerry, how's your day been so far?
Fast.
Funny.
Where are we going to drink?
Toilet.
Okay.
I'll go drink.
So we're going to have so many rides on it till 9 o'clock.
On the way back I might get some fun.
Okay. Then I'll show you the fireworks later. That's it, another day of Icon is finished. It's 9 o'clock, the fireworks are at 10. They had to close at 9 because fireworks. I just tried to go in the shop, that's shut, I want to post there, that's shut, so I'll take it next time. Yeah, great day, but what are we at now? 7 rides? 7 rides? 6 rides? 7? 7 wasn't it?
8. 6. Big one 7. What's in one at 8?
No, on this.
Oh, 6.
No, No, I think that was our 7th. Yeah, anyway, 6th or 7th ride, I can't remember. But yeah, great day. We're going to watch the fireworks. I don't think so. Anyway, that's it. We had some downtime, but it was good. We worked, got on it 6 or 7 times, so it's been a good day. We're now doing what though?
Head up to the top, go on another ride.
Yep.
And then go towards the fireworks.
Yep.
And then find our spot.
Yes, good idea.
I think we need a good spot up there where he said.
Yeah, by Watson from it. I'll get the fireworks here, but I'll probably have to put music over it because of copyright. So, sure I'll find some suitable music. So, yeah. We decided to go another ride on Watson from it because why not? So we're going to do that. And then we're going to go a drink and find one spot for fireworks. Like I said, a really good day. I'll do the full view of the day at the end in the hotel. So we just had a ride on Watson from it. I'm looking at the Kiss Me Quick Shop to find an icon poster, or if they're not in there, I'll have a look in the shop on the way out. What?
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
Don't know. So I'll look in there. I really hope they do them because I really want one. I don't want to wait until next time I come because all will be gone. No, my luck. So,
in the shop.
well, I'm looking here and look in the end shop.
They didn't have any in the end shop?
I'm going to have a look anyway.
Oh, I'll meet you there in this
Alright. Alright. So I just seen both shops anyway. So I can probably go and get it next time. I've just heard that the fireworks this year are themed to the rides. So it's obviously one icon. Don't do shit or what. It's really interesting to hear. I don't know if it's true. I just overheard staff members saying, so I don't know if it's true or not. I guess we'll find out. So I need to find Luke. Whatever he may be. I'm sure he's around here somewhere. Right, I'll find him and then I'll show you the fireworks. 15 minutes till fireworks and my favourite band's on. Awesome.
Biggest YMCA in Blackpool, we ready? All together Blackpool, come on! It's fun to see it the YMCA. It's fun to see it the YMCA. Together! YMCA. It's fun to see it the YMCA. The girls and fireworks are on the way! Keep amazing as always.
Sweat.
How do you get these off?
Lets you rip it.
Oh, I hate these things. So that's it. End of a good day. We had 6 rides on Icon.
I know.
I personally think we had 7.
No, we didn't. 'Cause
I-
we could have been putting on Instagram.
I still think it's 7.
No, we did a 6. I didn't count them.
The finals were good. The camera went a bit blurry, so that's why it's not the greatest footage in the world. Because this camera isn't the best in the world. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. We only did the big one, didn't we? And wasn't on it. Oh, pardon me.
And lunch days.
And what?
Lunch days.
Oh yeah, and we did the haunted house as well. But yeah, that's it. I want to go in November because it'll be dark by 5 o'clock. So I want to go in November. Get a really dark ride on all the rides if we can. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next vlog, which will be, I have no idea because there's no plans at the moment. Unless, no, there's no plans at the moment. Is there? No, no plans. So see you next one. Yeah, bye for now, guys.